Good morning. I am going to be spending the next 24 hours without my phone. I know, yeah, I do almost everything on my phone. I mean, what do I not do on my phone? That's the question. So, but then I found that during the lockdown, I've been using my phone even more than I normally would. But yes, how are you doing? How have you been during the lockdown? I've just been indoors. Going shopping is really a chore because you have to worry about what other people have touched, trolleys. Oh, it's just too much. I do quite a lot on my phone though. That's the thing. We'll see how it goes. I just want to show you something. So I have the stats on my mobile, and on my mobile screen here it says screen time. I've got the screen time right. This is bad. Daily average 6 hours and 54 minutes. That's ridiculous, isn't it? Like being on the phone for 6 hours and 54 minutes. I think that's even more. 2 hours today. I haven't even been on the phone I've not even been on the phone that much today. So I spend a lot of time. I spend a lot of time on YouTube because I watch a lot of YouTube videos for all sorts. I literally search for everything on YouTube because I'm a very visual person and I like to watch people do things in order to learn how to do it. Especially embroidery, which I've been crazy about. Embroidery and rag rugging. Don't ask. Well, let's have a look at yesterday. Look at yesterday. I was on the phone for so long. 11 hours and 48 minutes. That's it. I am switching off my phone. I'm switching off my phone. Have a look. Look. There we are. And that's a lot of time. That is a lot of time. So I am going to be switching off this phone. So the time now is, so 8:36, I'm switching off the phone and I will switch it back on tomorrow at 8:36 a.m. So switch off. Phone switched off. Get some sewing done. I have a blog see, I've got stuff to do. I've got a blog post that I want to that I scheduled for today, but I just need to go through my archives for images because it's not a tutorial blog post. It's about how to pick things to do during the lockdown, sewing projects to do, because anxiety levels are high, stress levels are high, and the projects that you choose could make or break you. So you want things that would enhance your confidence and boost your morale. You don't want things that would like add on to your stress levels. So I've done just a short blog post, and anyway, it'll be live on my website whilst you're watching this. So I'm gonna do that as well. Get my nails done. I'm gonna give myself a manicure because I'm getting chipped nails now. The time now is 5 minutes past 10 and it feels like today is dragging so much. But anyway, I've had a shower, I've dressed up a bit, just did my eyebrows and got some moisturizer on, put on some earrings, necklace, just to make me feel good. But anyway, I've got this skirt to show you. I made this skirt on Sunday. Yeah, on Easter Sunday I made this skirt. I actually made 2 of them and I'm going to show you. So asymmetrical. I love this skirt so much and I want to make it in black. I want to have a black one and I want to make another patterned one, but I'm thinking animal print. This type of skirt, or wrap skirt, any wrap skirt you make would look much nicer if you use jersey fabric, and I use ponte. I use ponte for this one and some stretch jersey on the other side. But anyway, I thought I'll share it with you. Now I'm gonna get my nails done. Gosh, there's so much to do today. And there I was thinking that I wouldn't have much things to do. Anyway, I'm gonna get my nails done now. Whew. Thinking about it now, I think it's a good thing because I do consume quite a lot of media, and sometimes when I switch on certain apps, the first thing I see is information about the pandemic. It adds to anxiety levels and stress levels. But then the worst one is WhatsApp. I'm on quite a few WhatsApp groups, and people keep forwarding these random messages about, you know, the virus. That adds to anxiety levels and stress levels as well. So I think this would be actually really good for my mental health. I just took a little bit of a nap. I went upstairs to my daughter's room, so I did a bit of work on the laptop and had a little nap, and I'm done now. The time is 12:01 and I'm down here in the sewing room. I have this project. This was meant to be a dress. No, it was meant to be a dress. I did the collar, but then realized that I didn't have enough fabric for the type of bottom half that I wanted to do. So this is going to go in the UFO box. I really like this though. It's so good. I did it so well. All it needs is overlocking the raw edges, and it's been pressed, everything's been done. It's got long sleeves, but then I don't have enough fabric for the bottom half. Here it is. So it's got the collar and it's a long sleeved one. It's supposed to have buttons going down. I might use snap buttons. But then this is the wrap skirt. And the wrap skirt goes really nicely with the top. Knowing me and my body type, because like this mannequin is not exactly my body size, because I'm slightly bigger now, put on weight. This top would be too short. Like it will be too short on my, like here. It'll get up to there and it will show a bit of skin, and I don't like my tops to be that short. So it would definitely be a dress. But then looking at it as it is, it looks really nice. Look, so if the wrap skirt were to be wrapped around, just wear that, I'll show you. There's the top, you see. So if I were to wear this, it just would not work for me. So it's not my cup of tea, but it might work for somebody else. So yeah, it's a self-drafted pattern. I love it. I worked so hard on it, but I'm so gutted that I don't have enough fabric to create what I want to create. But I just love the silhouette of it. But yeah, this would be a skirt to be worn on its own, and then this top half would be made into a dress later on after quarantine. I made this top, and you should see the video of me making this top. That day I just switched on the camera and I thought, ooh, I did a video sharing the things that I'd made in March, and I thought, actually I'm just going to switch on the camera but not speak. And it's this top here, and it's a very, very vibrant colored top, and it'll be for like events. It won't be just for hanging out or doing the school run or for work. No, it'll be a going out top. So I love this top.
I can't get that wide angle.
Oh. Can you like do a different space? Hey! I actually don't know how I've survived up till this time. The time at the moment is 4:55. 4:55 since 8:36, and I haven't used my mobile phone. That says a lot. I just can't believe it. Like at this point I would have done so many different things on my phone, but I haven't got my phone, and I've done so much as well. I've just changed into my PJs and the little girl's gone to bed. I'm done for the day. I survived. Say that again.
How did you survive a whole 24 hours without your phone?
Good night, Olivia. Right, you need to sleep now, please. Nice. Good morning. It's a new day. I survived without my mobile phone. Nearly 9:30, and I still don't miss my phone. So that's a good thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I am very pleased about it. I will unbox my phone in a minute and we'll have a chat. See you in a bit. That needed to be ripped. Actually, haven't really missed my phone, so I'm gonna switch it on now so it's off. Moving forward, I'm going to really take the screen time function seriously and just like keep track of how much I'm using my phone every week. So I'm going to move some of the apps to a different location on the phone so it won't be there on the home page, because seeing them might prompt me to click and check, and I need to limit that. Okay, so another thing that I will be doing after going out yesterday for a walk without listening to music, without having my phone on me and surviving, I will not always have my phone on me. I might actually give my phone a designated place. Yeah, I might give it just like a table somewhere in the house where it always stays. So when I'm done with it, I'll just leave it there. I think that's what I'll do. Well, let's have a look. Oh, it's on now. It's on. I was able to do lots of different things during the day, so I need to keep those replacement activities. I did a lot of journaling, planning, writing. So replacement activities, things like cleaning up the house, even though I don't want cleaning the house to become a You don't always wash a plate when it's dirty. Sometimes you batch wash plates. I'm going to apply that same principle, and I think you should. Beat the urge to always check your phone. Do batch checking, and I hope it makes sense to you. So rather than, you get a notification and you have to check it and then you have to attend to it, because we always know that when you check something, it leads to checking other things. So rather than doing that, save it, check, respond to that email when you've designated time to respond to emails, text messages, or whatever it is. Beat the urge to always check my phone. And the time now is 10:36. Oh god, all these messages. So let's have a look. There's screen time. Screen time, daily average is 6 hours and 54 minutes. Now daily average is down to 4 hours and 33 minutes. I'm going to keep it that way or even less, bring it down even more. So see your activity. Yesterday was, what was yesterday? Tuesday? 1 hour and 51 minutes, same as it was. And today, we live and we learn. I hope you were able to learn something from my experience, and I hope to see you in my next video. If you would be interested in more productivity videos, do let me know in the comment section, and I'm very happy to share more with you. It could be productivity videos around sewing and all of that type of thing. So enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you in the next video. All the best. Bye.